This corn was nursed, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. I did it because I wanted to beat the heat that we're having in this part of Texas right now. I'm going to transplant the corn, and because the corn is already, it's grown to a certain height, it's going to be able to put down root without any difficulties. Now, you follow me and see what I'm going to do. Timing is everything when it comes to gardening. We just took out the peanuts from here, and now we are going to plant our fall corn. We call it maize or whatever. So I'm going to make some holes here and put in the maize. You need to do it. It's very hot this time of the year, so we need to be a little careful. Else, see, when you plant peanuts each time, you're gonna end up having peanuts all the time. Yum, 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 yum. I like this. So, have some peanuts in the ground. How many do we have here?
10. We have 10.
Okay. I think we have enough room for all of them. So we put that one there. Put another knife. Yeah, it's very hot. Because of that, we have to be very creative in what we're going to do. We are going to put in some water in those holes to make sure that the plants don't struggle to take root.